The Sonic Alert SB1000SS combination alarm clock with Super Shaker bed vibrator is not only a great way to ensure that you wake up, but also connects with other Sonic Alert signalers. It also has a 120-volt lamp input to provide another way to alert you. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or simply hard to wake. The SB1000SS offers many features, such as unique 113 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control. The SS12 VW Super Shaker bed vibrating unit will wake you silently while others sleep. Built-in receiver to connect to other Sonic Alert signaling devices. Lamp connection for flash wake-up alert. Dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats. User-selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes. User-selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes. Alarm and bed shaker test mode to test functions anytime. Improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week. 5-year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty. Sleep well with the confidence of knowing you'll wake up on time. The Sonic Alert SB1000SS combination alarm clock with Super Shaker bed